We are on our way to Costco today to see if there's anything new in the world of home organizing. I say we because my husband's with me. In case you're new here, I'm Sylvie and I'm a retired home organizer, or as my husband would like to say,
stay-at-home dog mom.
okay, if you need to do your closet, you really can't find a better price anywhere else for velvet non-slip hangers. Something to keep in mind with these is they seem to carry a lot of black velvet dust. You'll notice it when you take the hangers out of the bag. Now, we haven't found this to be the case with the ones you get on Amazon, so do keep that in mind because they might shed on your clothes. But if you want to make your closet look spectacular and you're willing to take the risk, these are super affordable, and matching hangers will entirely transform your closet. Costco finally has glass Tupperware, and I like this one. It's divided. It's the Ello divided meal prep set. Don't know that I love the colors of the lids. I think they come assorted. If I could just grab one. This is the set here. But glass Tupperware is way safer than plastic. They also have these stainless steel ones, which are a lot lighter. However, you wouldn't want to put these in the microwave to warm up your food. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd rather have one or two good quality matching sets in my cabinets instead of a bunch of mismatched plastic lids and containers. In my experience, having fewer, better quality containers helps you keep tabs on where these containers are, especially when you have kids or a spouse that are bringing them to school or work. As you may have noticed, they also carry this same brand in a different format. Here, you get a larger 20-piece set that includes large, medium, and small sizes. If you know me, you know I love baking, and I have this obsession with Dutch ovens. This one I just find so pretty. It's the Staub 4-liter, 4.25 quart Dutch oven. Now, I know Amazon has sold these for comparable prices, but I've heard that the Amazon ones are actually rejects from the factory. Like sometimes they have a little scratch on them or a dent, or they don't pass quality control. I don't know if that's true. You can comment in my comments down below if you've heard the same thing, but yeah, this fantastic price. And it's in white, timeless. If you have broken sets of glassware in your kitchen, this is your reminder that they can be replaced inexpensively. You'll notice this 18-pack of wine glasses, super affordable at $15. I can't say I love the glassware, but they do have these. I don't know if I like these shapes, and I can't comment on whether these are durable or not. I usually get mine at Stokes. There is a particular set that I like there, but know that these here are available. I'm not a fan of these berry containers. While they're pretty, the odds of them getting used regularly are pretty slim. Instead, they become another item to store in a sea of other niche kitchen items. These, unfortunately, are a skip for me. The command section, which I always love, they have fantastic prices. This is great if you're trying to hang some pictures. I highly recommend these. I actually use these to make a headboard. I'll have to show you that. If you have some brooms in a broom closet or shovels in a garage, these are great. I have talked about these before in my videos. You get 3 for $24.99, so right now it works out to $8.33 each. They do fluctuate quite a bit in price. The one thing I will say is that these handles do tend to break off, so you do have to treat them with care. But if you're looking to organize your basement, your garage, all into matching clear bins, you can't beat this price anywhere. And then we've got these. I guess they're, oh, now they've got them made by Tough Store. That is the brand that they're carrying. These work out to $3.33 each. They have some great snap handles. If you're organizing a cabinet in a garage or something like that, these would be ideal. I believe I use these to organize some of the storage cabinets in my parents' basement. Here they have the Trinity 5-tier storage bin rack, but it isn't displayed very well and there's no price on it. I've gone to the website so you can see how it works, as this display just isn't helpful at all. These racks are meant to hold the extra large 27-gallon or 102-liter black bin. You know, the ones with the red, yellow, or gray lids that you often see at Costco. They don't have any in stock today aside from this lonely bin over here. I have no idea where else they would be, but they are not in the aisle where all the other bins are. All I can say is that the racks are featured online for $89.99, but keep in mind that in store, the price is going to be a little lower than the online price. Now, I want to go back to the Costco 27-gallon or 102-liter black bin, and I just want to say that these are not usually my first choice because they aren't transparent, so you can't readily see what's inside. However, I've had several clients use them over the years, storing Christmas decorations or extra large items. So if you're a fan of the large black bins, these racks might be a great storage option for you. I've also found this larger rack on their website, which holds 12 bins for $149.99. Again, that's the online price, not the in-store price. I actually didn't see any of these in store, but I wanted you to see that they are available. This is my favorite shelf from Costco. Comes on wheels. Here's a picture of it. Holds up to 800 pounds. You can fit your bins sideways. I have these exact chrome shelves in my garage, and we're able to fit 12 bins on these using that top shelf. But if your ceiling isn't as high, you might only be able to get 10 bins on them. Obviously, it's dependent on the size of the bin you're using. As you can see, I'm using the 45-liter Costco bin. This one is major heavy duty. These are great for garages or basements when you have a lot of bins. What are the dimensions? This one is 77 by 24 by 72. I've never personally used these, but I think these are an excellent option. They fit the bins this way, lengthwise, and you can fit 4 across. So technically 4, 4, and 4, super heavy duty, but a little on the pricey side. And lastly, there's another heavy duty one, but for $100 less. They sell this one at $99.99. It has the same dimensions as the Seville Classics one over on the left. However, it doesn't come on wheels, and it only has 4 shelves as opposed to 5 shelves. So you got to keep that in mind, but price-wise, it's a fantastic deal. Mr. Funny Guy, where did you find him? Where did you find that?
Birthday gift.
What? So all this to say, these are some great options for organizing your basement or your garage. So they didn't really have a whole lot today. I mean, we are leaving Costco with a few things, but in terms of home organizing, I think we're just in a weird season right now. We're kind of in between back to school, and they've got some of their fall decorations out, and I even saw hockey stuff, so like winter sporting goods. In August 2026, I'd say Costco is mostly worth it if you're looking to organize your basement or garage, and maybe get hangers for your closets. But as of right now, there isn't as much for home organization as in January, when people are wanting to start the year anew. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below.